G'day, how you going? It's Buri here from EXP Realty. I've had a few phone calls this week actually from a few interstate investors, local investors and first home buyers who have called me up and they go, Buri, do you have anything that's perfect for us? We're looking to get into the market. We're looking to add to our portfolio as well. And look, I did say we have one coming up in Burton, and this is the one here. So this is number 7 Barton Crescent here in Burton. It's a 3-bed, 1-bathroom home. It's situated on 594 square meters of land, has about an 18.9 meter frontage, living space of about 98 squares, and it's built in 1985. Now guys, I'm not going to deny, I'm going to show you the inside. We're going to go through a walkthrough tour, but it does need a little bit of love. It does need a little bit of work. So if you're able to do that, you're more than welcome to go ahead and do all the works, all the bits and pieces for this property, because you will get yourself a beautiful home perfect for living. So look at this, we'll go straight on the inside. Look, the flooring has been done. So that is the updated part about this property. You could go ahead with new painting on the property as well. It's got a reverse cycle air conditioning on the wall unit there as well. You'll get what I mean if you do come and see this property in person. Like I said, some new painting. If you want to update the kitchen, update the bathroom, it might be something that you want to look into if you are looking at investment purposes, or maybe a renovation, a flip, a first home buyer. This will be absolutely perfect for you. So firstly, we've got the living room space here. Beautiful large windows as well, so lots of natural lighting. And then we've got the sort of L-shaped kitchen here. So this will be your dining, this will be your kitchen obviously, and then you've got your gas cooktop there as well. And obviously this part here will be where you put your fridge. So folks, I'm going to take you through the property a little bit more so we can see just a hallway down here. This is bedroom number 2. Again, still got the original carpets, so you could do with new carpets in the bedroom. This would be the master bedroom. We've got a double built-in wardrobe as well. The carpets have been done, but I would say you probably need to redo that anyway. And this is bedroom number 3. I think this is the smaller of the bedroom. So folks, again, perfect opportunity for you guys. If you are looking for a development, it might be able to be done. You're gonna have to go to council, do your own DD, look into it, see if you can do a subdivision here. It does have an 18.9 meter frontage with a total land size of 594. So I gave you all the information. You kind of have to do that. There is some trees outside as well. I'll show you that. So you might need to look into getting them done, but they are on the boundary side, so you might still be able to push a development through here as well. But this is the separate toilet, bathroom. Again, it's in original condition. I'd say if you're gonna turn this into an investment property, you're probably looking at between 550 to 580 per week. And here's a large backyard. And that's what I'm talking about, the trees. We've got some trees here as well that, look, you could potentially cut it down, but you need to look into that as well. Inquire with council, do your own research. This property will be coming into the market next week. We'll be launching it next week. So offers closed, the tender best offers, closing in 2 weeks on the 14th of October, 7 p.m. Now that is a Tuesday, but I'd say with the current first home buyer scheme, 5% deposit, no lender's mortgage insurance, that's coming up, it's here. I'd say we've got a lot of influx of buyers who are going to be looking into their first home, plus investors. We've got a lot of interstate investors putting their money into Adelaide at the moment, plus local investors. So I would say that this property might not last until the closing date. So if you are interested in a home like this, I'd say get in touch with me straight away. If you have a budget between say 650 up until 7s, this might be the property for you. So guys, again, if you're looking for a property like this, my name is Buri from EXP Realty. My number is 0427 731 994. Bye for now.